Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I installed a vinyl decal on a wooden backdrop. The decal I'm installing says, "Happy Birthday, Roy." The first step is preparing the decal. Using a squeegee, gently rub over the letters to make sure the vinyl properly adheres to the transfer tape. If you don't have a squeegee, you can also use a plastic card to achieve the same result. Next, slowly peel the transfer tape away from the backing to ensure all the letters lift cleanly with the tape. Once everything has transferred properly, the decal is ready to be applied to the wooden backdrop. Carefully place the decal onto the surface and gently smooth it out. Using a squeegee, carefully rub the lettering on the wooden backdrop, ensuring the letters transfers onto the surface. Work slowly to make sure the vinyl adheres well and the letters stay in place. After pressing everything down properly, gently remove the transfer tape carefully, leaving the lettering perfectly installed on the wooden backdrop. This part requires a lot of patience. Go slowly and use your fingers to press down the letters section by section as you work your way across. And we are done. Here's a quick close-up of the final result after installation. If you'd like to see how I installed a vinyl decal on a fabric backdrop, be sure to check out my previous video on the channel. See you in the next video.